Hey, I'm Lily. I'm 15 years old and I'm from the UK. I live in London with my family and I'm currently in high school. I'm really passionate about art and I dream of becoming a graphic designer when I grow up. I'd love to work on creative projects like designing ads, websites, and even video games. Let me tell you a little bit about my family. My dad is a language teacher. He's really into English grammar and teaching others how to speak and write well. My mom is a dentist, and she loves helping people with their teeth. Sometimes she talks about her work and all the cool tools she uses, which sounds a bit scary, but I know she's amazing at it. Then there's my older brother, Michael. He's 25 and studying economics at university. He's always busy with his studies, but when he has time, we hang out together, and he helps me with stuff like planning and organizing. I've got a pretty active life. I love sports, especially boxing and karate. I spend a lot of time at the gym, training and pushing myself to get stronger. It's one of my favorite things to do. It helps me relax and stay focused. I also love visiting my grandparents in the countryside. They live on this huge farm with so many animals: cows, chickens, goats, and even some bunnies. It's so peaceful there, and I always feel relaxed when I'm visiting. It's definitely my favorite place to be during the holidays. Oh, and I have a pet rabbit named Cookie. She's black and white, and she's the cutest bunny ever. I love spending time with her, especially after a long day. So that's a little bit about me. I'm passionate about art, love sports, and enjoy spending time with my family and pets. Life is busy, but I wouldn't want it any other way. One of the things I always try to do is be a good person. I believe kindness is really important, and I do my best to treat everyone with respect and care. I like to think that I can always be counted on when someone needs help. That makes me happy, knowing I can make someone's day a little better. I try to be honest too, and I think being true to yourself and others is the key to meaningful relationships. But like everyone else, I have my good and bad sides. One of my good habits is that I'm very determined. Once I set my mind to something, I make sure I give it my all. Whether it's studying hard for exams, finishing a design project, or pushing myself during my workouts, I make sure I stick to it. That's why I'm so focused on becoming a great graphic designer in the future. However, there are definitely things that frustrate me. I get really annoyed when people are rude or disrespectful. I don't understand why some people would intentionally hurt someone's feelings, and that really bothers me. I also don't like it when things don't go as planned. For example, if I'm working on a design and the software crashes, or if I'm trying to learn a new move in karate and it doesn't work, I can get really frustrated. It's something I'm trying to improve, staying calm and not letting small setbacks mess with my mood. Another thing about me is that I tend to be too hard on myself. I always want to do my best, whether it's in school, sports, or any other part of life. When things don't go right, I sometimes feel like I've failed and I get disappointed. I'll stay up late wondering what I could have done better, or worrying if I said the wrong thing to someone. I've realized that I need to be kinder to myself. Mistakes happen, and I need to accept them as part of growing and learning. I also have to admit, I'm not really the most social person. I don't have a lot of friends, and I don't enjoy hanging out with big groups. Instead, I like to spend most of my time with my family. They're the people I feel most comfortable with, whether it's my parents, my brother, or even just having a quiet time with my grandparents. I always enjoy being around them. I think family is everything, and I'm really grateful to have such a close-knit one. Despite all of this, I always try to keep a positive outlook on life. I believe in doing my best, taking care of those around me, and enjoying the little moments. I'm not perfect, but I try to be the best version of myself every day.